Abladi abi min penye kemba ono journal TV. Ya fine acho mi na afale. Ni femo na acho le sanjini ya no. Me na saje ko meni wo bariji ake am Roberts ya attack you amu hon loyi. Ni shatawale uni e say it mo wolo me. Ya fine won for oba no. Okay, Steve.
Na
Oh, if for me, look at
you are done. Bon, otale for. Namo
Shidaba half fully clothing. Lene honey if you for
fully clothing. Beganyo. Fully clothing for a will be next week about Sunday boat to go find me. And get be here if you will. Naka.
Steve. Menele Nibiele, what bullet more? Nine, Ako, Wababa Fenemy.
Naka.
Oh, mene, old market shake, I'm Robert's co. I can't attacking you, Kumenije, the grow Kemba. I may hear me ni be fair, me shikaka, me ni be, Ekume Puelake, I make Billy at a gunpoint. Oh, mini pokwe, Mino yo e kemo.
Oh, I mean, it's a very sad story. Onani, Obaham, call it Yako, Alota call it Kemu. Po, Obaham, Po, money, boy, Po, I mean, Jila Yolo, Amujila Yolo, I mean, I'm a call, what my make any be over the years, Nekeni Bine Yano, Afu Ame Beno, Wanaka, Afu Ame Beno, I am a sky, I'm a day, can it be the introduction of MTN mobile money, it was a few, she be an fraud beer coming chula. She, I'm robbery, I mean, is very sad. They are Oba Ejake police we Ghana police service ke army can be they should find a way and protect and protect the Kejela Yolo because no me wo ni shag ni that natural shaggy Eric we work no me blame akwe allo tuchukwe adake me ne ke basis ne ni ya gbefa ne can be ne anyo ake police we war me ne am a protector ne can be ne ni the barriers we Giano, no call from na police barrier. Every court a few no a police barrier. So I don't know, but I think as an army, I may find a way to raise security awareness because call follow media few crime may increase one they can shoot to Moko, one they can the crime mean you know crime increase that means nuchumo fa can nuchumo fa can me benuchumo you ta me benuchumo na mechuo can me shikache me ni ame yo shika ka me gbele factories can be few na ba you tell nuchumo na mechuo I mean they will find a way to survive because they'll come on ya me about fake crime that's the only thing because you know everybody needs to survive as an survive a young man in le unugo ya no ale can abushka chedo touch on them, you up and down what on target. Nigela you learn can be nefen. I'm like a woman yoshka. Nami Adila Nami Yoshka can be can be she.
Yo, Yakashike government try ni eke nuchumo jimba system me bani nefen ya down.
Exactly, don't know you and a capepe. Can you chumo fire mammy? Mofiamo yenuko de chu, Mofiamo na edana. Yes, na ni yo. There's no way I can bad mo equal to Clanty alone no could ba from Mokone no because a nuchumo nechu. One of your bajole or by a government a try ni egbele companies, egbele factories, egbele nuchumo on a benichon ni individual wakashi government individuals ni yoshka. Ama make bele factories can be a make bele abekeshka. A feni be jane down a make shka to slave queens can be fun. I make bele companies can be. Ni slave queen ele wole
lele wa ni ekon ya no no chatawale bonenche wo boss di enche akebia
for life
na akebia na e dress mi den chemi na social media geshin na le ne dress tumo wolo meni e yempa ekeni bi ni ekoko ni ina tumo menjeni akeshi e can talk fin keke shimi mi in opinion na mi na akeshi ekole e seli enyeje ganyojile ni etoni echon boni boni was samo ye boni e yo for ni e seli out shibon kokwe mi no bari.
Oh, I mean me share wa ni na photo me share wa it's about time ake oba project wo gadangbe a machine ona be ni chon no ju no one of our mission there. Oh me feel like because Shatawale follow on Facebook social media ni le we follow am e wo ni no ju no ni be ni post or na ke e have effect here no e wo kokwe wa na ko no ju no tumo no wo tuo le nche tei ona be ni chon he wo they are all going back to their roots. Nijaga me ya back. Ona, ma you chief you get sankofa. Wo bia ne le lenche na asani lenche project in age. Because if fan be tete kume na ke no. Asani le mu enye project in age. Wo I like the fact that le lenche identify ke yes gandoni ni identify wo kusun ni Shatawale lenche here snap ke ni bi ne yenpai. Ni ikpa yele nche J1 Germany alo J abunsan ni bi ni shi konkon noko ni ehi ni e bible em ona e wo no dey feel I mean asani wo fen wo mi ahyewo ni wo fen wo pianle koni e ashon because the Shatawale I mean global icon ni ji Jemfe ona Jemfe is one of the biggest artists ni Yejelem. If I'll put it there, because Beyonce can be fair, what I mean, is one of the biggest in Africa. Ni one of the recognized in the world. Ni lelenche gama tale ne dress ya gama kusumi ni fe gama kusuni asani wo fe wo mi ahyewo eni wo pianle ni eke ya shon si ono jono ni ne fe ne che mada ono jono shi ake ambeni amefe ni mene me like Shatawale can be fair eba fall in love with their traditions and their culture.
Steve, in social media, in our no corner, like Gelko, actual Ella, a popular Facebook, in any Esha video of herself, a hair number out, a phone and so a lose contacts, she a number koni awale. Eke guy say nyoko e wole na me clear ho eko for 2 days na me replay na me share pictures can be.
Please, I don't know who's watching me live right now. Everybody who knows me, it's me, Ella. I'm with the police right now. I'm with the police. I'm heading to the hospital to get hospital. I'm going to the hospital right now to get a medical report. Please, anybody that knows me, contact me on 054-720-57551. Everybody should contact me. I've lost all my contacts. I was drunk and I've been raped. I don't remember what happened. I don't know what has been happening to me for the past, I don't know how many days. Since on Sunday. I don't remember what happened.
Girl like a replay. She called me some of the comments any ameha. Like ame here some of me come me shame yakeshi a rape girl ni rape hunji no koni osuso ha onye lopo. Ona she ene ona keshi ame fe me come ha comments ni ye very sad akeshi like ni ke onye me po I don't think I keshi oba wish na kan hale. Me no oba worry about this thing.
Oh I think I mean areho ake obla you feel ni mene amba feel naka and me ma ejake police who allow many you're in charge the asana me ame to ogbeke yones ni ame investigate ni ame arrest neke many feel neke I mean ebe is very bad on abinicho and mean nwake ni nepodence Nigeria ni happy here. And it's very sad that Nigeria police were ametishi ne investigate na arrest ne can oblige ne I mean rape is against the law everywhere in the world there. Jemfe everywhere in the world is against the law and is even against the Bible. It's against every religion. Religion talks against rape on a nature and it's not a good thing and it's rather unfortunate that meba many feel and but fair education few of one can say to be no you are in there I can rape any you I mean it's against the law and rape is like to monologue bemuku it's not a good thing to follow no affair nakani why am for life and I no le bail be a bail boy or rape case a bail but treat obo to mo ko no agbegbomo and as ani what chi wo e kaje na kan magia ni phone e
okay ha abna koko onu abna koko
hey abna koko le bele le trendy je abna koko
she girl on a phone wa
oh for ni bi mamoshi front and back the duku bi ke duku ke shape ke no fia no le champion
she
abna koko de ganyo ni alo mi ni koko ni no
koko ni yo no ni anu ake sha ke
ekuapim ni no na so gbege ye forward na ke la fio ye because koko duku bi ke shape ele
she olake she ekegbe ko meba out e chon hini edna noko kame femo like tmo
hini kelewo
amekelewo amenwa amefe famous people they are in the entertainment industry ni ke okwe oba ria ke shi a bipolar syndrome ne yo ni hani ewi oni bi because ke ona ke sometimes ke ejen no be e ba jipo be e boy ni bi kumewie more like ona ke some of things and area onu shalo na ke she sense ye mi she me kumedwani because ni bipolar ni ne wo call advantage ni ke feel ni bi kume me no ba we
oh I mean me in blame me le chomp because je mo fan de ke feel ni de feel because I ke bipolar ke effectivement o ye two personalities to mo mene o no e footballer wo ko o no e mene teacher wo o ye two personalities at the same time wo ekume enyo chon no kokonkro ke ni e ba ke na crisis alo ni e ba ke chon no kokonkro ne for what I read there alo le lenche mi ngbela mo echo ke ake o ke eni e ba if you're sexually aggressive che ntu ake no fe no ni ba egbe fan eke dabi ele cheke hanu ni here kele fi on this mo di o ke ila ni echele yen da de ba na no ni fi e wo I mean o ke ni on ba nyo cho gbe jian mo ni mo fi amoni kele wo through that thing mo fi amoni kele wo ni me for me is very sad okay because mo fi amole la na je che no be no school ton university ton de je pour ni fefe ni bi come wo me here na mekele wo le mi blame am ake nyele la ni yo ne even though ake for you le machine body ke ko na body ke no fi no le kwe taste ni go na be ni chon e for wa ni e ba wa ke you never do machine je ni o ba mo ya ke nu jibo e wa shin asana amena ke elako ni ye ni ha ni fi on ni fi o e wo kwen esani ameba fall into naka trap me ake oh allo am take advantage because kemo jomo kan shi ojuba na ife no dey feel esa ni bon o ba follow ona be decision na ke amenya mo amemi na kan yin de chamenya mo amemi o am fall into na kind trap ne but I mean chon but it's rather unfortunate ake I mean onyo judge le onyo oyu no ko against le because ye dwemu denche ne ke feel ne feel ke ila ba na yu on ne yu she here le o me mostly ma blame here ni amemame igbe ni ka me wo allo amekele wo because na me like ye ne ke la ne ona ameni ma blame ke because you a follower okay because you it needs she needs special attention njaka sana da ne hingba ye no a phone can be ne fin that asana ye asana ato we ku na ba ban from social media because can ye ba no ke ba share video e come naked e ba share flow na wo no ko ba juye bene social media can be ne here when ball here come na me bi gba me na wo ka me na kan bi no ball ka che wo mi ke di bi come ya fe di bi come wo asani follow am himba yi no ni amewale continuously because coach le feel no keke ni bi come fe ni bi come o asani parents here must say le pay ba yi eko ni asani phone ke ni bi enwe na am monitor na manage ni bi ni feel your phone
step nujibo na nujibo
fane no no dwumi blanu manche
mabani hi alo hi kome alo hi fe mabani sure gbe ke ona yokoni osmo yoe the moment you back ke shokle in ye bikome then yento nye back off me na like she ke osmo ona mo no smole alo ke mo ehie no small more mabani ko small o nyo small ebi she some of the back ke she a small born one Maban sani ayano because in class I she yoko bata she can back I she Tony a four without name marrying.
I'm in love with the bomb one. Me I know the care. I go still put a ring on your finger. Bomb one. Whatever you be, I know the care. I go love you, make you wonder. I'm in love with the bomb one.
Okay, in Aboni Osmoni, in Kakesh because of Bonue was Sani in Kembila to Alo Sani Maria no Kalmacha Wakeshin Yebi. She this the case the moment no barrier can show Yebi no then I meant on I'm a back off.
I mean in work or you are as an you are you. Can you work to a lane as an you are Yebi. She here be on a you are denche on a you are denche. Expenses alone, but you are now a slave queen and expenses alone. If I don't know became expenses most of the time a mistake any year Fioji. Bon one low I can mukune for come Kefie I'm a woman allo many I'm a man I make a four. I may Benny here quick became allo here come one me quick became. It will Kefie most of the time a bed in fan allo Jatu fan mammy. E wo ke bonu konkro ba no ko usumo mamie be mamie ke na ka le che be din ke bile be din we e ke ba fun bo be din no ni already e boden che oyin be din ni o asano ko follow o mami ko papa be din yo no e ku me boden che o nyami me ku me school fees ke ni be din yo no mbo ni yo ke be din ba e jachumba e ke bile jachumba shi kwa sa ni ke mi sumo bo e bo ni mi sumo boni minto ni nke bagba je obile ni nke bagba e wasani bo bedi be no klo wo ba ja je po no ke fe ba fun no wo ba ja e ke obile moni wo bo ni afole le ni asani le kwele si je mi na asani makwele si ke ye ba ameke na ka jatu en ke le jatu en ke ba fun mi no wa gbe ne ke nye be e ko ke mu fe wa de ni ye ekome ka nyoku e mu jemi because bed in faton bole dale wa fe wa ho sofio no ba na fio ko ne me ne ke you ke jatu ne fe ba fun no le no ni ye pi ju ofu ye
she sometimes like she e ko le nu e jeni ke e waboni okwe mokokonklo bie ke be ken da krampo e la ke she okay papa ye bie e wo ke me na e dani e ba chon gbomo e ba simo ni e ke ya e papa se ya lo
mo be ken le je le bi ni be ken wule akeje papa ni e wo ke be ken e ba chon footballer alo ke ko okay ke ma pe na ke makwele ni kwele a on de chon footballer by all me say be ken le ba to e papa se be she na ka responsibility e mu den che je me responsibility na ke je me wo bo ho ona shimboko responsibility ni ja ekole monokele for ebeje don anije ke egbo alo ebe responsible ona shi enye ma ko na kan responsibility aya ke bonimi to ni ke hishie je obile ni ke ba hinshi ona bini chon wo na kan ele no ni yimpi ju ofo shi yin ekome hu ameye wa amaka ko ke bu efe no ko small money small boy wo mako bele on kegbe shi asano na ke obile na e kweke ngbe ye no ke mokonko for favor de febu ona e wo asano respect na kania asano bu na kania ke no ne bomodin ona be ni chon si jeni meni mari bo wo be o jatu en be obile en be e ba ton meneda bi because ko bile ke one day ni e ba hiale bo mi se le ba to e papa se egbe o no ele o male ko chongo chonshmo ba ya ona wo esa ni oke naka beken jatu en ba fita bo no e no ko ba hanu ko reduce naka jatu en no e ba sumo bo ke no fa no mo shi fan le ko e ke ko le padi first mo e bon to go body ele no le market da
Steve
manyana
oyi wala don akeshni inchebwe oba wa mi ni bi fe fo She made them look very smart.
O talele benke wa ke e fe mi fo.
No na.
Afole clothing as no kala wi ni. Ne pe kwa because ye che you ko.
Ma connectable ke.
Ye corner mi boy. E birthday by was an e pe no ko fine.
Afole got it covered.
We were done.
Bie no okay was sanjini ya no baba na gbe. Boni nyele a cho mi na afale. Ye ono Jono TV. Sanjin feni ya no all over the world. Ke wona okay baba no ke banye.